Which RC bait boat is actually worth your time? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1: Singj Precision Bait Boat. First up is the Singj RC Fishing Bait Boat. Priced at $198.99, this boat caught my attention with its impressive 328-yard range. If you want precision bait delivery without disturbing the fish, this is worth a serious look. Whether you're targeting isolated weed lines or deep structures, this bait boat makes it easy. The dual motor stability ensures it tracks straight, even in wind and currents, which is especially helpful during tough fishing conditions. With a solid rating of 4.2 stars from 45 reviews, it's clear many anglers appreciate its reliability. Now, some people complained about the battery life being shorter than expected. Here's the thing though, you get two 5200 mAh batteries that can last for about 4 hours. For dedicated anglers, that's usually enough time to catch a few fish before needing a recharge. This is perfect for you if you're serious about fishing and want to maximize your success on the water. Skip this one if you're looking for a budget option or only fish occasionally. Now, if the battery life of the Singj bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2: HVMevi Carp Bait Boat. Next, we have the HVMevi bait boat for carp fishing, which retails for $169. This one caught my eye with its camo design and dual battery system. If you want reliable performance without breaking the bank, this is a solid choice. The boat can load up to 4.4 pounds of bait, which is great for effective fishing. It features a fixed-speed cruise system that allows you to send it off in a straight line without needing constant adjustments. This is particularly useful if you're trying to maintain a certain strategy while fishing. Plus, it has a low battery alarm, so you won't lose it due to power issues. With a 3.8-star rating from 45 reviews, it's a well-received option among budget-conscious anglers. Now, some users mentioned issues with the remote control range being a bit limited. But honestly, as long as you stay relatively close to the shore, this shouldn't be a deal-breaker for most users. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking to get into remote bait boats without spending too much. Skip this one if you're an experienced angler needing more advanced features. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for long-distance fishing. Product number 3: CRS APRCTS Long Distance Bait Boat. Coming in at $149, the CRS APRCTS bait boat is designed for saltwater fishing, and it really stands out with its long-distance capabilities. If you're aiming to reach further out with your bait, this is definitely worth considering. It features a large bait tray that can hold over 2.5 kg of bait, which is perfect for those serious fishing trips. The 500-meter control range means you can really get some distance without losing control of the boat. This is especially useful when you want to target fish far from shore. The waterproof design ensures you can use it in various conditions without worrying about damage. With a 3.9-star rating from 25 reviews, it seems to be a hit for those who need reliability in challenging environments. However, some users have reported that the boat can struggle in rougher waters. Now here's the thing, if you're fishing in calmer conditions, this boat performs beautifully. It's all about knowing your fishing environment. This is perfect for you if you're an adventurous angler who likes to fish in open waters. Skip this one if you primarily fish in calm lakes or ponds. Now, if you're looking for something portable that doesn't skimp on features, the next product might catch your eye. Product number 4: HVMevi Portable Bait Boat. Next on the list is another HVMevi, this one priced at $139. It's compact and made for portability, which is great for anglers on the go. If you want something that's easy to transport without sacrificing too much power, this is a worthwhile option. With a 3.3 lb loading capacity, it still gets the job done for efficient fishing. The design includes a built-in automatic balance system to correct yaw, which is super helpful when navigating windy conditions. Plus, it features strong wind resistance, making it reliable in less than ideal weather. It also has a low battery reminder, which is a nice touch for peace of mind. It holds a 3.8-star rating from 19 reviews. Some users did mention that the battery life could be better. But honestly, for the price and portability, this boat delivers a lot of value for someone who likes to fish at various locations. This is perfect for you if you need a lightweight option that can easily fit in your car. Skip this one if you often fish for long periods and need a higher capacity. Now, if you're really looking for high-end features, the next product might just blow you away. Product number 5, HVMevi Advanced Bait Boat. Finally, we have the HVMevi RC Bait Boat for $249. This one is packed with features like 4 independent bait containers, which means you can deploy different bait types exactly where you need them. If you want precision in your fishing strategy, this is the one for you. With dual 5200 mAh batteries, you can enjoy long operating times without interruptions. Plus, the cruise control function helps maintain a steady speed, which is great for consistency in your baiting. The bright navigation lights are perfect for those early morning or late night fishing trips, ensuring you won't lose sight of your boat. It's rated 3.8 stars with 15 reviews, showing that anglers appreciate its advanced features. That said, the price might be a bit steep for casual anglers. But here's the thing, if you're serious about your fishing game, the investment is worth it for the enhanced performance you get. This is perfect for you if you're an avid angler looking to up your game with high-tech features. Skip this one if you only fish occasionally or prefer simpler setups. So there you have it, a look at 5 different RC bait boats, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Whether you're on a budget, need portability, or want advanced features, there's something for everyone. Choose wisely and happy fishing.